Imagine this. The year is 1901. The world is on the brink of technological advancements, yet there are still mysteries hidden beneath the waves. Greek sponge divers exploring the waters off the coast of Antikythera find something astonishing. They were not searching for treasure, but for sponges, a valuable commodity at the time. It's not treasure or jewels, but something far more intriguing. A shipwreck from ancient times. The shipwreck lay undisturbed for centuries, holding secrets of a bygone era. Among the amphoras and statues, they recover a strange object. It was unlike anything they had ever seen before, a piece of history waiting to be unveiled. Encased in hardened sand and coral, it seems like just a lump of bronze. The divers had no idea of the significance of their find, but little did they know they had stumbled upon one of the most remarkable discoveries in archaeological history, the Antikythera Mechanism. This discovery would change our understanding of ancient technology. This wasn't just any ancient artifact. It was a complex device filled with intricate gears and mechanical parts that seemed out of place for its time. It was a sophisticated machine, a marvel of engineering from a time we thought incapable of such complexity. The Antikythera Mechanism was an ancient Greek analog computer used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses. The Antikythera Mechanism, as it came to be known, challenged our understanding of the past. It showed that ancient civilizations possessed knowledge and skills far beyond what we had imagined. It whispered tales of a forgotten genius. The mechanism's complexity suggested that it was the product of a highly advanced and knowledgeable society, one that had been lost to history. Modern scientists have used advanced technology to study the Antikythera Mechanism, revealing its secrets bit by bit. They have discovered that it could track the cycles of the solar system with remarkable precision. Ancient Greek texts and diagrams have provided clues to its purpose and construction. The more we learn, the more we are amazed by the ingenuity of its creators. The Antikythera Mechanism was discovered to harness the ability to calculate the positions of the Sun, Moon, and planets visible to the naked eye: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Imagine holding the universe in your hands. Picture a device so advanced yet so ancient that it could predict celestial events with remarkable accuracy. That's what the Antikythera Mechanism offered its users over 2,000 years ago. It was built on the geocentric model of the universe, where Earth was at the center. Each planet's movement was represented using epicyclic gearing, a technique where gears spin on other gears. This allowed the mechanism to replicate the retrograde motion of planets. When they appear to move backward in the night sky, the Antikythera Mechanism could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track the phases of the moon, and even follow the movements of the planets. Imagine gears, over 30 of them, working together with incredible precision. Each gear was meticulously crafted and placed to ensure the device's accuracy. These gears, turned by a hand crank, spun pointers and dials on the mechanism's face. The user could input a date and see the positions of celestial bodies at that time. But this was no ordinary clockwork. These precise calculations were based on a blend of Babylonian astronomical data and Greek theories, including the work of philosophers like Plato and Apollonius. It combined practical engineering with the pursuit of understanding the cosmos. Today, modern scientists continue to study this incredible device, uncovering new insights into its construction and purpose. The Antikythera Mechanism remains a symbol of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Think about the night sky. You see the stars, the moon, the planets all moving in their own ways. Each celestial body follows a path, a rhythm, a dance that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Imagine the ancient Greeks gazing up at the same sky, wondering about these movements. They didn't just observe, they sought to understand and predict. The mechanism had two main sides. The front displayed the movements of celestial bodies and a calendar based on the zodiac. Using a series of nested gears, it tracked cycles like the phases of the moon and the positions of planets. Each gear in the mechanism represented a celestial body. The intricate design and craftsmanship of these gears are a testament to the advanced knowledge of the Greeks. As you turned the crank, these gears interacted, mimicking the dance of the planets and the moon in their orbits. The precision was such that it could even predict eclipses. The back of the device included dials to predict eclipses and track cycles like the Metonic cycle, which aligns solar and lunar years every 19 years. Remarkably, it even accounted for the Moon's slightly irregular orbit, using a pin and slot mechanism to mimic its varying speed. Picture yourself looking at the Antikythera Mechanism's front panel. It's a sight to behold. Imagine a circular face like a clock, but with multiple rings and pointers. Each ring represents a different celestial cycle. One ring showed the zodiac, the constellations the sun appears to move through during the year. Another tracked the lunar calendar, showing the phases of the moon. And yet another pointed to the position of the sun in the sky. This was truly a window into the cosmos. Section 5, the back panel, Eclipses and Games. Now flip the Antikythera Mechanism over, and you'll find another intricate panel. This side housed even more dials and pointers, revealing the ingenuity of its creators. One dial predicted solar and lunar eclipses, a feat requiring an understanding of the complex cycles of the sun and moon. Another dial tracked a cycle known as the Metonic cycle, used to synchronize lunar and solar calendars. Amazingly, the mechanism even included a dial for tracking the dates of the ancient Olympic Games. Section 6, Venus and Saturn dancing with the stars. Let's look closer at two planets, Venus and Saturn. In 2005, X-ray scans of the fragments revealed inscriptions detailing planetary cycles, including precise periods for Venus and Saturn. These periods matched Babylonian records but had to be simplified to fit within the gear system of the device. For example, the Venus cycle was represented as 462 days, allowing it to align with the machine's mechanics. This innovative design meant the Antikythera Mechanism could predict planetary positions years into the future, serving as both a scientific tool and an educational model of the heavens. Section 7, a legacy in bronze. The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't just a complex machine, it was a statement. The Antikythera Mechanism challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. It shows us that 2,000 years ago, people were not only observing the cosmos, they were building machines to understand it. In many ways, it's a precursor to today's data-driven prediction systems like weather models or astronomical software. Its design represents the beginning of humanity's journey to mechanize scientific thought. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more extraordinary tales from the past.